Hey guys, what's up? So it's Dennis again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the first installment of the talk series, What Highly Selected Colleges Really Want. And if you guys missed the Monday talk for whatever reason, just head over to www.chalky.co/talks and you'll be able to access all the live stream from there. So on Thursday, so that's tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern and 6 p.m. Pacific, we're actually hosting the second installment. And this one will be hosted by a similar group of panelists, equally diverse and just amazing in general. And the topic of the day will be specifically on applications and essays. So obviously this is a time where most of you guys are gearing up in terms of essays and editing, completing your first drafts and whatever. So if you want some feedback from people who went through the process successfully, then definitely tune in and bombard us with questions via Twitter, just like last time with the hashtag ChalkyTalk. So again, this is Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. We'll see you there.